today's inspirations, we're going to have a look at Kin Oaf's 1981 HJ47 Mine Bus conversion. This is truly a unique vehicle. I have never seen anything like this before. It caught my eye and I thought I want to share this conversion with you guys. Some years ago, one of Ken's mates told him about this HJ47 that had been converted from new to a bit of a mine bus to take executives on mine tours. Despite the fact Ken really loved this project with its big high headroom, side door and incredibly well designed windows, which Ken thought Toyota should have done from the factory, he initially passed up the deal. A few days later, Ken woke up and realised that this was a unique opportunity and he might never come across this opportunity again. So, he struck a deal, brought it home and sat it in the shed at home, continuing on with his other projects. It wasn't long before Ken was commissioned to finish the project off and make it what you see today. Ken tells me he was extremely lucky regarding the condition of the body, as the previous owner was an engineer and he'd already removed and fixed all the rust. He'd swaged another section of roof together to add aerodynamics at the front, which included overhead storage. He'd also gone to the trouble of adding underbelly boxes for extra storage. The chassis was stripped, cleaned and rust protected. Powered by the reliable 2H diesel motor, with added help from Bangalow smash repairs with panel and paint work. All the window pieces were a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. Ken laid each piece down on the ground until they worked out how they all fitted together correctly. Regarding all the small hardware on the 47, all the steel was cleaned by electrolysis and then primed and painted to original Toyota colours. Plastic bottles were cleaned with caustic soda. The visors came up an absolute treat just using dishwashing liquid and a green scourer. As for the chrome badges, Ken had devised a method of cleaning, polishing and painting to bring them back to a factory look. The underbody was sealed before mounting it to the chassis. The 47 was really starting to take shape and show its true form. By August 2019, the old mine bus had been completely restored and was now ready for engineering and blue slip. Both passing with flying colours, and the inspector complimenting the build many times over. With Ken putting in countless hours transforming this HJ47 to the ultimate touring vehicle you see today. Ken, your restoration on this vehicle is absolutely incredible. Your attention to detail is next to none. You've finished this project off with absolute precision and been able to show it in all its glory. Well done, Ken. Your craftsmanship and being able to bring this project to light is awesome. And I was absolutely stoked to be able to share it with all the viewers today. If you want to check out a little bit more on Ken's project, check out his Facebook page. A few more pictures and a little bit more information on there. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing some more of your projects with you guys later. Thanks.